Hey, what's up guys? I am back with another video, and this time I will be teaching you guys how to play a 2-octave C minor scale. And before I teach it to you guys, this is what it sounds like. So that is what the 2-octave C minor scale sounds like, and don't forget to stick around for the tutorial. Okay, so this scale begins with the note C, which is played open. The next note is D, which is played 1 and 3. And for the D, you want to get this third valve tuning slide out just about halfway, so like right about there. And you want to leave that out for the D. The next note is E flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is F, which is played 1. The next note is G, which is played open. The next note is A flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is B flat, which is played 1. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is C, which is again played open. So those are the notes for the scale. So in the second octave, you want to change the fingerings of 2 notes. And those 2 notes are D and E flat. So you want to play the D with 1 in the second octave. And you want to play the E flat with 2. So those are the only differences in terms of fingerings. And so one last time, this is how the scale sounds like. So hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, until next time, Trumpet Beast signing off.